What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best water coolers for office of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler. Simplify your hydration needs with a sleek, bottom-loading water cooler designed for convenience and efficiency. No more heavy lifting, this dispenser accommodates both 3 and 5-gallon bottles, neatly concealed in a stylish cabinet that blends seamlessly into any home or office setting. Whether you're seeking icy cold refreshment, a soothing hot beverage, or room temperature water, the 3 customizable temperature settings ensure the perfect drink for any occasion. Safety and innovation are at the heart of this design. A child safety lock on the hot water spout ensures peace of mind, preventing accidental spills or burns. Smart technology takes the hassle out of maintenance, with alerts to remind you when it's time to replace the water bottle, keeping your hydration routine worry-free. Crafted with a touch of elegance, the stainless steel accents elevate its modern appearance, making it a stylish addition to any space. With its user-friendly setup and durable construction, this dispenser combines practicality and aesthetics, delivering a superior hydration experience for busy households and professional environments alike. Whether quenching thirst on a hot day or brewing your favorite tea, this versatile cooler makes hydration effortless and enjoyable. Complete with a manual and care guide, it's the ultimate upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their water dispensing experience. Number 2. Igloo Bottom Load Water Cooler. Enjoy the convenience of effortless hydration and hot beverage preparation with this sleek and efficient bottom load water cooler dispenser. Designed to save space and enhance any environment, its stylish black and stainless steel finish seamlessly complements kitchens, offices, dorm rooms, and more. With a slim, freestanding construction, it fits comfortably in tight spaces without compromising on functionality. This innovative dispenser provides hot, cold, and room temperature water on demand, making it perfect for preparing refreshing drinks, tea, coffee, hot cocoa, or even instant soups. The bottom-loading design eliminates the need to lift heavy water bottles, allowing for quick and mess-free refills. Simply load the water bottle at the base, and let the dispenser do the work while maintaining a tidy, streamlined appearance. Whether you're entertaining guests, working in the office, or relaxing at home, this versatile and user-friendly dispenser ensures you always have water at your preferred temperature. It's built with durability and convenience in mind, offering a reliable solution for hydration and culinary needs. Compact yet powerful, this water cooler combines modern aesthetics with practical functionality, making it an essential addition to any setting. Stay hydrated and simplify your daily routine with a dependable dispenser designed for both style and performance. Number 3. Brio Top Loading Water Cooler. Experience the convenience of refreshing hydration with a versatile water dispenser that offers 3 temperature options to suit your needs. Whether you prefer an invigorating glass of cold water, room temperature refreshment, or a soothing cup of hot water, this dispenser ensures you have the perfect drink at any time. Designed for functionality and style, its sleek stainless steel cabinet effortlessly complements any home, kitchen, or office setting, adding a touch of modern elegance to your space. The innovative top-loading design allows for easy monitoring of water levels, ensuring you're never caught off guard when it's time for a refill. Compatible with 3 5-gallon water bottles, this dispenser caters to a variety of household and workplace requirements. Beyond convenience, safety takes center stage with a Euhomy Energy Star-approved construction and a child safety lock on the hot water spout, offering peace of mind for families and workplaces alike. Engineered for practicality and reliability, this water cooler redefines hydration by combining style, functionality, and security. From busy mornings to relaxed evenings, it adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle, making it a must-have for those seeking a dependable hydration solution. Upgrade your daily routine and enjoy the perfect balance of utility and sophistication with this premium water dispenser. Number 4. Euhomy Water Dispenser. Enjoy the perfect combination of functionality and convenience with this top-loading water dispenser designed for both home and office use. Engineered to accommodate 3 or 5-gallon water bottles, it ensures you always have a clear view of the water level, eliminating the guesswork and reducing waste. The dual temperature feature offers both hot and cold water options, making it ideal for preparing refreshing iced drinks, soothing teas, or warm hot chocolate. Safety is a top priority, especially for families. The hot water dispenser is equipped with a child safety lock and a 2-step dispensing mechanism to prevent accidental spills or burns, giving you peace of mind when kids are around. With easy-to-use buttons, controlling the water flow is intuitive and hassle-free. Maintaining cleanliness is effortless thanks to the removable and washable water collection tray beneath the spout. This feature effectively captures any drips or spills, keeping your space tidy and mess-free. The compact design and sleek appearance ensure it complements any setting, from kitchens to office break rooms. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this water dispenser provides the reliability and versatility you need for all your hydration and beverage. Number 5. Housiwill Water Dispenser. This versatile countertop water dispenser offers a 3-in-1 functionality, providing hot, cold, and warm water, making it a perfect addition to any home or office. With the ability to produce crisp cold water for refreshing drinks and piping hot water for beverages like tea, coffee, and instant noodles, it ensures you're always ready for any season. The dispenser uses advanced fast heating technology, ensuring hot water is ready in no time, while the cooling function can drop the temperature to as low as 8 degrees Celsius, perfect for hot summer days. The top-loading design accommodates water tanks ranging from 1.2 to 5 gallons, and the built-in base prevents contaminants from entering the system, maintaining the water's hygiene. The dispenser features a user-friendly, one-button operation for quick and easy dispensing, whether you need cold, hot, or room temperature water. An ergonomic drip tray catches spills, keeping your countertops clean, and both the tray and barrel seat are detachable for easy cleaning. With an automatic temperature control feature, this dispenser provides convenience and efficiency, eliminating the need for boiling kettles or waiting for water to cool down. Whether you're preparing a warm cup of soup or enjoying a cold beverage, this dispenser offers a hassle-free experience, ensuring you get your desired temperature instantly. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.